Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I have for you a Puerto Rican classic chicken and pasta dish. It is absolutely marvelous, very simple to put together. I do have my own take on it because every household does things differently, and I do have my own version, but I'm sure everyone is going to love it, and it's really simple, full of flavor, and easy to put together. So now let's get right to it. Alright guys, now let's begin. Let's talk about my ingredients. Right here I have chicken thighs that are skinless and boneless. I bought it like this in the supermarket, but what you can do is, if yours don't carry with it boneless, you can keep the bones on, that's fine. Just remove the skin and some of the fat. So I pretty much cleaned this through. So I have about 8 pieces right here. I have my pasta, plain spaghetti pasta of my choice, but you can use any pasta that you like. I have 1 lime, I have 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and then right here I have 1 red onion and sweet bell peppers, which is the orange sweet bell pepper and the red, but you can use whatever you like. This is just my take on it. Then right here I have 5 garlic cloves that I just minced it up in a food processor, but you know, I prefer it fresh and it will give off a great flavor. Now right here I have some sofrito. Right here I have some homemade sofrito. This is my recipe on it. I do have a video for it, and this is about 3 tablespoons. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. I have here, because my my bay leaves have broke, you can put 2 whole bay leaves if you have. I just put 3 right there. I have 2 teaspoons of oregano, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of adobo. And that's store-bought adobo. I also have store-bought. Right here I have 2 tablespoons of chopped olives with its brined, and then that's all you're gonna need to get this started. Now let's begin. Now with your clean hands and your washed chicken, we're gonna begin to season this bad boy first, right in this pot. So, and it doesn't matter what order you put in. And we're gonna just put fresh garlic. I love lots of garlic in my food. Now I'm going to leave the bay leaves for last on my clean table, and I'm just gonna put in the rest of my ingredients, and you see how this comes together pretty easily. That's exactly how you're going to be doing it as well. And then just seasoning up, and that is pretty much it. Then I'm going to squeeze in some fresh lime. Alright, so right after you got all your ingredients in, and of course a cook's best tool is their hands after you clean them. Now we're just gonna dig in, and we're going to massage all the flavorings and all the spices and herbs. Alright, so now I'm finished seasoning through, and let's do the next step. Alright my friends, the next step is having a pan with high sides and a lid. What you're going to do is you're going to put in your chicken right in here, just like that. Okay, with all its juices and everything in there. Then you're going to put in, or you can leave out the olives. That's a preference. And I'm going to put in the onions and the peppers, the sweet bell peppers. You can put as much as you want. The bell peppers, I only have 2 small ones. That's what I use, the 2 small ones and a small onion. Now what this needs to do is it needs to release its natural water. Chicken retains a lot of water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it on medium with the lid on, and I'm gonna let it sweat out its natural juices. I'm not gonna add any water to this, and you really don't need to, because it releases enough liquid to make the sauce that we need for our pasta. So I'm just gonna put the lid on, and this is gonna cook for about 20 minutes, and I'll see you right back. Alright guys, our chicken is done. You see all that liquid that you surrounding the chicken? That is the chicken itself produced that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna remove my chicken. My chicken is done, by the way. I'm just gonna remove. I'm gonna leave the vegetables in there. I'm just gonna be removing the chicken right out. And that is tons of flavors right there. That is awesomeness right there. So right now, I'm just gonna put in my 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. You'll see that the tomato sauce is spreading, and it's gonna start to thicken up lovely. Using 3, but because mine's broke apart, you can use 2. And then I'm going to place my chicken right back in and put the cover right back on it. And this is going to thicken up really, really lovely. I already have my pasta cooking. It's going to take about 8 minutes to be completely done. And this is going to take just the same time, another 8 minutes, until everything gets fully done. It smells incredible in here, guys. I am so hungry. I cannot wait to dig in. Put everything back in here. Yum. And just put the lid right back on there for 8 more minutes. Alright guys, so my chicken is all done and it smells divine. So what I want to do is I'm going to be removing some of my chicken pieces. Ooh, some of it's going to break apart, and that's a-okay. You can see the sauce. It had reduced a lot, which you want that. You want your sauce to reduce. Of pasta that I'm going to dredge in my sauce that I had cooked according to the package instructions. And it's absolutely divine. It smells insanely good. Insanely good. And we're going to do a taste test. And then you can put the chickens right, you can put the chicken right back on it, or you can serve it in the side, however you like. And now let's do a taste test. Alright guys, now let's do a taste test. Alright guys, the best part of this video is the taste test. I cannot wait to give it a go. I mean, I have made this a whole bunch of times, you know, but it's always such a pleasure of making this classic. It smells so good. Oh my god, I'm trying to break up a little piece of my chicken and some pasta. So good, guys. Now let me blow, because I don't want to get burned. Wow, guys. So delicious. So everything right now. This right here is thebomb.com. I'm telling you right now. This dish, my friends, it is out of this world. You need to give this a try. Such a simple, classic Puerto Rican style food, made easy, and you can change it up in any way or fashion that you like, but this is just my take on it, and I really do appreciate all of my viewers and subscribers for tuning in. Thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. You know it's always a pleasure of having you cook along with me. Make this, give it a try. You're gonna love it. It's easy to put together. It feeds a crowd, and it is divine. So until next time, my friends, I will see you again, and I'm gonna continue eating. Take care. Bye bye.